Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. In today's quick tutorial in powerdirector, I'm going to show you how to cut out some unwanted area from your video clip on powerdirector timeline. Alright, so just like what you see on the screen right here, I have my video file and my audio file at the bottom right here. Now I want to cut from this angle to this angle where there was nothing talk. So what you need to do is to move the slider, okay, and take it to area you would like to stop the cutting. So once you move the slider, next thing you need to do is to select the clip on the timeline, right click on it, having right click on it, and make sure you click you choose split, or you press Ctrl T on your keyboard, and then the clip is going to be slipped from one another. So next thing you need to do is to select the audio file on the timeline, right click on it. So when you right click on it, you have to choose split, or you press Ctrl T, so it's going to be separate from the main clip. Now there are two ways to delete and to remove a clip, or to remove an unwanted clip from your video clip or from your audio file on powerdirector. So one of the first way is that you have to select the clip that you want to remove. So this little clip right here, I'm going to remove it. So you have, once you select the clip, and then you have to press the delete key on your keyboard. Now you have three options right here. The first option states that remove and leave the gap. The second one here states that remove and fill the gap. The last one here states that remove all gap, remove fill gap, and move all clips. Okay, so I'm going to select remove and fill gap because I don't want this place to be empty. Okay, so now you notice that the gap was not filled. This is because we still have to remove the bottom one, which is the audio track. So we have to select the audio track and press the delete key on my keyboard, and this time around I will have to choose remove and fill gap also. So once you do that, it's going to automatically remove, and it's going to fill the gap. So another way to remove is that, let's for instance, I want to remove a clip from the point here. So I have to right click and make sure you click on split. I click on here also, and right click and make sure I click on split, and I have to click here also, and I have to adjust. I'm going to cut it at this point here. So right click and split, then click on here, right click and split. So another way to do is that we can decide to select on this clip here, press the delete key on our keyboard, and make sure we remove and leave the gap. We can select on this one also, right click and delete, and leave the gap. Now when we leave a gap like this, we can easily insert another clip at this point here. So this is another way by which you can use to remove and insert a new clip into your video timeline on powerdirector. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl S and Ctrl Z. Okay, so this is how you can remove, cut, and move clip from one another on powerdirector video editing software. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this in powerdirector. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.